Welcome back to the El Segundo Model Remodel project. Today we're going to be talking about our selection of tankless water heaters. We selected Noritz. Noritz, I guess about 40 years ago, introduced the first electronically controlled tankless water heater, and still today they're the industry leaders. There's a few basic reasons why any home is a great candidate for a tankless water heater. First, it's convenience. As opposed to having a tank heater where you have a preheated, limited amount of water stored, continuously heating itself up throughout the day, with a tankless system, you bring the water up to steaming temperatures in a matter of seconds and provide hot water indefinitely. It heats on demand in a flash heat process and turns off as soon as you shut off the faucet. And the process allows for the cost and energy efficiency that only a tankless heater can provide. As far as installation and maintenance are concerned, it really doesn't get much simpler than with a tankless water heater. They last for up to 20 years, very little maintenance over the life of them, and you don't have that giant tank of rusty water that could potentially burst. And we've all heard the horror stories of ruining brand new hardwood floors. With a tankless system, you just don't have that risk. The compact design of these Noritz tankless hot water heaters give our installers flexibility that they need, especially when they're in the middle of a major reconstruction like we are here, with so many other things going on at the job site. Our guys were able to maneuver through the site, mount these on the side of the house during the construction. It was a little bit tricky, but because they're so compact, we were able to do the install the day they arrived. Noritz tankless water heaters can be installed inside or outside. They have wireless control capabilities and they provide all the accessories needed for the installation. I actually have two Noritz tankless water heaters that I installed in my home. The reason that I chose the tankless system was simply because I didn't want to give up the space that would have been required to have a tank system.